All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, looking at the coin, following the coin, staking the coin, mining the coin, all kinds of different things with cryptocurrency. Today we're bringing you a bonus video, Ethereum. Ethereum is the number 2 cryptocurrency listed. Bitcoin's number 1, Ethereum's number 2. All kinds of crazy stuff. It hit its high 41.60. We're going to go over the high 60 yesterday. All kinds of crazy stuff going on with Ethereum. All good stuff, though, because a lot of people think it's going to go to 5,000 or 10,000 or get as big as Bitcoin one day. So for all the people that are checking out cryptocurrency for the first time, Ethereum is a big name to be checking into. Mark Cuban, we're going to talk about what Mark Cuban thinks of Ethereum here in a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So with this, we want to make sure everybody on the planet knows about cryptocurrency. Mark Cuban, he's the owner of the Dallas Mavericks. He's also on the Shark Tank. You know, we're going to see what he thinks about Ethereum. All kinds of great news going on about Ethereum. So sit back, relax. This is going to be an awesome one. You're going to want to stay to the end because this is going to be an exciting Ethereum video. Let's jump over to Ethereum. All right, we're going to start right here at Coin Market. Ethereum is listed at number 2. Take a look at this. 41.73. Oh boy. It's up 14% in the last 7 days, and it's up 8% in the last 24 hours. So checking out Ethereum real quick. I want to go right over to Robinhood. So here it is at 41.71. And I want to go through a couple things. 3 months ago, what was the Ethereum prices? 41.71. 3 months ago, it was 21.86. So literally, it's pretty much 2024, $2,000, July 22nd. Okay, so Ethereum has pretty much doubled in about 90 days. And there's people that think that this coin is going to go to 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, just like Bitcoin. All our information on this channel is for educational purposes only, but Ethereum is number 2, so we're going to talk about it here. So also on Robinhood, I like the features. You can go back to a day, go back to a week, go back to a month, go back to 3 months and kind of see what's going on. Let's go ahead and jump over to Ethereum's website. All right, over here at Ethereum's website, it says, welcome to Ethereum. Ethereum is a community-run, technology-powered the cryptocurrency, Ether, ETH, and thousands of decentralized applications. Explore Ethereum. This is the foundation for our digital future. Ethereum is open to everyone. All you need is a wallet to take part. Ethereum is an open access to digital money and data-friendly service for everyone. No matter your background or location, it's a community-built technology behind cryptocurrency, either in thousands of applications you can use today. This is an interesting one. Banking for everyone. Banking for everyone. Not everyone has access to financial services, but all you need to access Ethereum, its lending, borrowing, and saving products is the internet connection. So all you need, everybody, is the internet connection. It says more private internet. You don't need to provide your personal details to use an Ethereum app. Ethereum is building an economy based on value, not surveillance. Right here, a peer-to-peer network. Ethereum allows you to move money and make agreements directly with someone else. You don't need to go through immediate companies. You don't need to go through all these different companies. Capacity for wins. Compatibility for the win. Better products and experience are built all the time because Ethereum products are compatible by default. Companies can be built on each other's success. So let's go ahead and jump over to see what Mark Cuban has to say about Ethereum. So right here it says Mark Cuban says Ethereum has the most upside as crypto investments. So what does Mark Cuban have to say? Through the crypto market has exploded this year. Not all digital currencies and assets are equal, according to billionaire investor Mark Cuban. When asked what cryptocurrency he suggests for beginners or new investors in this space, Cuban explains how he views many of the most popular digital coins. As an investment, I think Ethereum has the most upside, Cuban says. CNBC make it, and Bitcoin is better gold than before. To learn about cryptocurrency and the space-rich community can impact the market, Cuban recommends meme-inspired Dogecoin earlier this year. Dogecoin became one of the top 10 currencies. So definitely Mark Cuban is definitely thinking Ethereum is a plus, and he also likes Dogecoin. Well, everybody, with this one being a bonus video, with Ethereum cracking over $4,000, some people actually mine the coin, some people stake the coin, some people trade the coin. Well, I remember 4 months ago the coin being around 1900. Okay, and it actually went up and then it came back down. Well, here it is back over 4,000. And you can look into all kinds of different things. They're saying Ethereum could pass Bitcoin one day. They're saying it could equal it. I mean, Bitcoin's over 64, 65,000. Ethereum's at 41. There's a lot of room for growth. All our information is for educational purposes on this channel. But Mark Cuban, all kinds of platforms, everybody loves Ethereum. So if you are into cryptocurrencies, you probably want to have some Ethereum in your wallet. If you're mining cryptocurrency, they're saying that sometime at the end of the year or next year, you're not going to be able to mine Ethereum. Ethereum is a proof of work right now, and pretty soon going to switch to proof of stake. So eventually, sometime, you're not going to be able to mine Ethereum. So the people that are mining Ethereum, you still have a few more months or 6 more months or a year. Nobody really knows. They're burning the token now with Ethereum. So every transaction, literally it goes on, a percentage of Ethereum is being burned. So that's happening. So all kinds of good stuff going on with Ethereum. All right, over here at the Ethereum Twitter account, literally all kinds of good stuff. Open source platform to write and distribute the decentralized applications. So they have a real nice Twitter, a lot of things going on their Twitter account. You know, over here, the Week in Ethereum News. And it's talking about Uniswap and the fork demo. You can check that out. That's interesting. You know, so all kinds of good stuff over here on the Twitter thing. So if you're getting into Ethereum, you want to research it as much as you can. Here's another thing. Ethereum can be thought of as a blockchain-based decentralized computer. Why Bitcoin was created as money experiment. Ethereum was designed as a platform for decentralized applications, DApps. In its development, the network founder accepted the loss, a certain level of technical efficiency, in order to achieve the more trustless environment that the blockchain brings. Ethereum ecosystem consists of networks of developers, entrepreneurs, and investors who support the platform, and of Ethereum ETH, a native currency of the platform. Ethereum is the second biggest, take a look at that, the second biggest cryptocurrency based on the market capitalization, surpassed only by Bitcoin. So when they say, you know, Bitcoin is literally number one, Ethereum is right there always. You know, McDonald's and Burger King, they're a good comparison, and Burger King is very successful, and so is McDonald's. The purpose of Ethereum is to act both as cryptocurrency and as fuel to support the Ethereum network, for example, through fees. You know, so you always hear about the gas fees with Ethereum. The Ethereum prices are continuing to increase over the years as the blockchain projects flock to Ethereum network to build on their platform. The greatest the use case of Ethereum protocol, the higher the Ethereum price seems to have the protocol to rise. One of the cases particular, the decentralized finance, DeFi, has exploded since the boom of 2020 as the user looked to return through the lending, yield farming, and other activities to intermediate. The value lock, the total value lock, the TVL, which reflects the size of the market, has ballooned on the Ethereum network. Their introduction to Ethereum. So, I'm not going to go too deep today. Do me a favor, give me your comments in the bottom. Do you have Ethereum? Is it your coin that you own the most? I mean, do you have 60% Ethereum and 40% Bitcoin? How much percentage of the Bitcoin, how much percentage of the Ethereum do you have? Are you trying to get more Ethereum? Do you think the price is going to go over 5,000, 10,000? Do you think it'll ever reach where Bitcoin is at right now at 60,000? If you do think that Ethereum is going to even get half of where Bitcoin is, holy, look at this. This is one of the best episodes ever because we're talking about Ethereum, talking about cryptocurrency, and again, trying to make sure everybody on this planet knows about cryptocurrency, educating themselves, having a little cryptocurrency. Does it go up? Does it go down? All those good things. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, it's around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And every once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video. Well, today, this is a bonus video. It's usually around 6 or 7 o'clock. So, thought this was going to be an awesome thing with Ethereum. Wanted to talk about it. And guess what? We're going to talk about Ethereum about 2 more weeks from now. So, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Everybody have a great evening today.